Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka number 26. Absolute freedom or Brahmika bliss exists on all sides for those self-controlled ascetics who are free from desires and anger, who have controlled their thoughts and who have realized the self.
Chapter 5, Shloka 26. Kama krodha viyuktanam yathinam yatachetasam abhidho brahma nirvanam vartate vididhatmanam.
Chapter 5, Shloka number 26. Elaborating further about the man of self-realization, Lord says that such a person who experiences the bliss within, for him the absolute freedom exists everywhere. He has total self-control and is free from desire and anger. He is a yogin. Such a God-man is best suited to guide others who are suffering in ignorance around him. He lives as a God-man in the world. He has fulfilled the purpose of his life and, like a lighthouse, guides others. He is not affected by the environment in which he is working, like a doctor who develops immunity from the very diseases he treats in the patients. The immunity of a man of equipoise is maintained and preserved because he is not charmed by the sense cravings in himself, developed through his own intelligent self-effort and divine application. He has conquered the instincts of desire and anger in him which come from without and within. This is possible because he pursues the life divine to know the self and discover the bliss of perfection. More in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.